Hello. All right, today I want to show you how to make a drink with sulfurzyme. Now, why would we take sulfurzyme? Sulfurzyme contains MSM, which is an organic form of sulfur. Sulfur is the fourth most plentiful mineral in your body. So many functions in our body rely on sulfur to function properly. So if you go out and research MSM, look at the benefits of MSM, here are some of them. It can lower inflammation. It can help with your joints, it can help with allergies, it can help with gut health, it fights the effects of stress and pain, can help to raise your immunity, increase your energy levels, and it's beneficial for skin, hair, and nails. And again, it's very plentiful in your body, so if you don't have enough of it, when you start to add it to your diet, then you can experience a lot of benefits. I'm gonna show you what I have been doing lately, which is awesome. Getting my daily dose of sulfurzyme, which the main ingredient in this is MSM and NingXia wolfberry powder. So the serving size is 1/2 teaspoon twice a day. So you can use, if you just want to do 1/2 teaspoon, you can, or you can do a full teaspoon and sip on this throughout the day. So I'm just putting this in a water. I just took an empty NingXia bottle and filled it with water and put, again, 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of sulfurzyme into your water. Then take 1 or 2 ounces of NingXia. So I'm just gonna take a packet and put it into this bottle here so I don't spill, because I will spill. And then you can use your favorite oil, and you don't have to do that, totally optional, but I really like, it's so tasty if you add grapefruit to this. So grapefruit or lime or orange, you can add lemon. So I just add about 3 drops to this bottle. And then all you do is put the cap on and shake it up, store it in the fridge, and then I just drink this throughout the day. So it's such a benefit because number one, it tastes really good. It helps me drink more water because it tastes yummy. You're getting obviously an extra dose of nutrients, and it's kind of sweet due to the NingXia, the NingXia Red, and this is slightly sweet, so it's just, has a little bit of a flavor. Sometimes you can get bored of drinking water, so I just want to share this tip with you because I am loving it. I make at least 1 of these a day and just store it in my fridge and sip on it when I'm thirsty. And anyways, just want to share with you. Thanks for watching.